Social Science, Grade 8, Block 13, The Indian Constitution. LP 1, Purpose of the Constitution by teacher Shikha. Students will be able to explain that a constitution sets rules on how a country need to be governed. Children, we follow different rules for different games because each game is different from the other. If we break a rule, then it spoils the team spirit and fairness with which a game has to be played. Just as in games, governments also have to follow rules or laws that are given in a document called the Constitution, or else there will be a chaos in the country. So, children, today we will learn about why the Constitution is important to set the rules for governing a country. Children, please read the content book and do this activity. Write a set of 4-5 rules for an authoritarian government where one person, one party is the head of the government and has absolute power. Now imagine that the government has changed to a democracy where elected leaders form the government. Then write down 4-5 rules that every democratic government should have. So, what are the rules for an authoritarian government? How did these change for a democratic government? What if the rules did not change with the change in government? What if the rules are not written? Think. Let's discuss the answer. In an authoritarian government, the head of the country is not elected. Decisions are taken by one person. People have little freedom and the leader enjoys unlimited power. In a democratic government, leaders are elected and accountable to the people. Decisions are made collectively and people enjoy more powers and freedom. If the rules did not change, then democratic ideals or beliefs would not be followed in the new government. If the rules were not written, they would not be given any importance. Children, look at this diagram. It will be easy for you to understand what is constitution. Sets the rules by the government, lays down ideals of society, tells the nature of government, rules are binding on everyone. This is constitution. So children, how can we make sure that rules made for a government are followed? Why is a constitution important? What does it tell us about a country? These are the important points which we need to discuss and understand. We can make sure that rules or laws for a government are followed and binding on everyone if we record them in a formal document, that is the Constitution. A constitution officially lays down the rules for government according to the nature of the government as well as the ideals of the society. Hence, a constitution for an authoritarian government is according to authoritarian principles, ideals, while those made for a democracy are according to democratic ideals. Children, I feel like discussing one more question here. In what other situations do you think that rules and laws in a country need to be made or changed? So, children, we need new rules or laws when there is a change in people's beliefs or when there is a need to address or resolve a problem. Children, try to solve your worksheet. In case if there is any difficulty, you can discuss with me during online session. Read and mark your difficulties. Also read your content book to understand this lesson more precisely. Students should be able to identify the features of government, can explain that a constitution sets rules on how a country needs to be governed. Also give reasons for when rules, laws needs to be changed. I hope lesson is clear to you now. Have a great day ahead. Stay safe. Stay home, children. Thank you. Bye-bye.